In the upcoming tutorial, I'll show you how to use the color matcher using the eyedropper tool in Photoshop, Snagit, and PowerPoint. I'm using Adobe Photoshop 2021, and most of these versions are about the same when it comes to looking for the color picker. So all you have to do is go to the eyedrop tool on the toolbar, click on that eyedropper, then go to the color that you want to match. Click on the color. The color appears in the color swatch located on the color tab. When you click on the color tab, notice how you'll see an RGB number or a hexadecimal number. The RGB number is red, green, and blue, and each of them have a number. All you have to do is write those three sets of numbers down, and that's the number that you'll be using. Otherwise, use the digits under the hexadecimal. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to find the match color using Snagit. So, as you can see on my screen, Snagit is already open with the logo that I would like to match the color for. All you have to do is click on the fill option from the top as shown here on my screen. Once you click on the fill, then you'll see the eyedropper tool that shows up on the right hand side. Simply click on that, go over to the color you want to match, click on the screen, and then click on the box, the little swatch that shows you the color that you just chose, and you'll see the hexadecimal number there, abbreviated hex, with the pound sign in front of it, and it tells you what the number is. So that is the color that you'll be choosing and working with in other projects. Okay, now we're going to locate the color match in PowerPoint. I've already got my application open to PowerPoint, and all you have to do is click on the object and then go up to the top of the toolbar and choose Shape Fill. Next, you're going to choose the eyedropper. Then you're going to click the eyedropper on the color that you want to match. Go back up to Shape Fill. This time, you're going to come down and choose More Fill Colors. You're now going to see the RGB number or the hex number. Next, we're going to go into Canva, and Canva is already open on my screen, and I'm going to create an element and bring an element like a square box and place that on my canvas. Once I place it on there, it has a color already loaded, but I want to go in there and I want to choose my color. So just click on the color swatch and then choose the search box at the top and enter in the number that you received from those other color matches, and it will find the color that you're looking for. So in this tutorial, I've shown you how to find the color match using 3 different applications: Photoshop, Snagit, and PowerPoint. And then I showed you how to apply that number using an element in Canva.